Here we are, starting off the day, Yucaipa Regional Park. We threw a little bit in the corner to start off. Didn't get a bite, didn't see a bite. But just wanted to show you. Guy there on the left, in the brown or tan shirt on the top of the spillway there, came right down within 5 minutes of this other guy being there on the bike. And stood up no more than 5 feet next to him. You know, you got the whole lake all yourself, but nope. I'm gonna throw it right next to this guy. So, and then the other guy, I'm fishing where the can is. The other guy that's up on the shore a little bit sets up within 10 feet of me and already cast over my line once. Lots of fun out here. Off to the middle lake, and our bro over there is following us. What I wanted to show you here was the mud flow from the rains. See this canyon here, it came down good. Here's the bottom lake for the day. What's weird is the bottom lake actually has the clearest water out of any of the lakes. Water's flowing in good. One thing we did notice, you can really see here, water level went up over the rocks at one point. And you can see it over here too. On that shoreline, there's nothing but trash over there. So either spillway got clogged over there and it raised the water level. That's actually the only thing I can think of. Get back to you if we get a fish. Back to the top lake. We're out here in the rain, just relaxing. A couple of bait rods out. Hoping to catch one more fish so we can barbecue it for dinner. Got all the cormorants on the other side. Don't know if you could hear that, but big old gust of wind behind. Top and middle lakes are muddy as can be, but bottom lake is actually somewhat clear.